Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Alright guys, and we're only going to be using one account. The reason why we're only using one account is because generally most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, so they get like 3, 5, 7, even 10 accounts or something like that. But we're only going to use one account because it's a beginner, you're not too sure into the system and so on and so forth, I'm thinking, and I kind of want to show you the type of results I'm getting by doing that as well. You don't need that much investment, you know what I mean? Is what I'm trying to show you guys, and these are the results I'm getting. I'm trying to show you my results from doing the exact same thing. All right, so you might get better results or worse results. I'm not entirely sure, but I'm showing you that this is working for me, and I'm pretty sure it'll work for you as well. Alright guys, so anyway, if you're interested in following along, links in the description. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. Alright, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting the $25 business, and mainly because it's affiliate system, which is 80% recurring income. That means you get paid every single month 80% of whatever is paid, so to speak. For example, this is the $25 system that I'm promoting, right? For example, you click on the link below, you decide you want to try this out and pay the $25, right? I get $20 of that at that moment. All right, so let's say you stay in the system. Say you stay in it for a month, and you stay in the system, you really like the system, you want to stay in it, right? So next month I will also get $20. So it'll keep building up, and that's how you get. So these customers are worth it much more. You know what I mean? Much more favorable for it. For multiple sales, so to speak. They can give you multiple sales. And it's a bunch of products in the system as well. So high ticket as well. It's a high ticket product. As you know, I got a sale in that a couple of weeks ago, about a week ago or two, something like that. But anyway, guys, yeah, that's the reason why I like promote it. So we're going to look at our results here. We're going to refresh the page here. Don't believe results if they don't refresh the page. Alright, looks like we did not get a sale yesterday. Not a big deal. I'm not too worried about it because of this big old sale here. But anyway, guys, like I stated before, there are links in the description below. There's going to be a link down there if you're interested in following along, guys. There's a link in the description below. Now, it's going to say step 1, $25 business. You click on that. Now, that should take you to this page here. And what this page technically does is talk about the product, the $25 business, with how much money you can make, all that good stuff, right? Instant $20 to $100 monthly commissions, lives for 24. Just basically just explaining what you're buying. You know what I mean? So once you click on yes I want in, when you figure out, hey, you want to try the product, it'll take you to another page. They'll show you a mandatory video you need to watch so you understand exactly what you're buying. Not trying to trick anybody. You want to make sure you understand exactly what you're purchasing before you even get a chance to buy it. You know what I mean? So you watch that 1-minute video, and once you watch that 1-minute video, it should take you to a page to look like this. This is where you put all your information in and all that good stuff. Now, one more thing here. This is the HBA premium product. All right, this right here, and if you use my link, it's free for 14 days, and then you have to pay $125 a month. All right, and I will get $100 of that, by the way. But the reason why you want to try this, at least for the first 14 days, is because what it does, it teaches you how to promote this product in a bunch of different ways. Facebook ads, Facebook groups, YouTube, and they constantly adding stuff. They constantly adding stuff, updating stuff, seeing what works, seeing what don't work, and they constantly changing this stuff up. So yeah, and there's not a lot of affiliates for this system, but they are a lot of like very successful affiliates for this system because of this training, so to speak. So they all do really, really well. So including me. I don't even use the training. I'm just using my method, but I'm doing well too. So you can do all of that, right? And it's $125 a month. Now, let me explain something. You have to have the product to get a sale for it. So for example, you get the $25 business, right? and somebody buy under you the $25 business, you will get $20 because you have the product. But if you have the $25 business and that's all you got, and then somebody buys the premium here, you missed that $100 you could have got there when they paid the $125. You missed that $100 because you don't have the product. So, and yes, the 14 days free, you can still get the product because you will have the product for 14 days. Therefore, whatever sales you get in that 14 days for free, you'll get those $100. All right, guys, when you get them sales. I just want to explain that real quick. So anyway, guys, you decide you want the product and stuff. You'll get to this page here eventually. And by the way, they'll show all of this in the in videos and stuff. But I'm just kind of speed running through it a little bit. And so yeah, you'll get to a page that looks something like this. You click on affiliate zone, guys, and you slide down and you click on sign up for affiliate program. You put in your little information real quick. It's a very short process. And then you log into your SAM card, and that is gonna take you to this page here. Now this is where all your links at, where you get paid at, all that good stuff is here. All right, guys. And the link that you want to use, guys, is all in one $25 business. All right. This is the link you want to use for what I'm gonna show you here, guys. So once you do that, there's a second link there. Say step 2, my lead gen secrets. So you click on that link. It should take you to a page that look like this. You can watch what he say. It's a 7-minute video explaining the system. Basically, at the end of the day, it gives you 100 leads every single day, 100 brand new leads every day, as long as you stay in the system. All right. So anyway, you can click in and put in your email and all that good stuff and log in, make your account, whatever. Right now, I'm finna log into my account here real quick. And once I log into my account here, you want to click on mailing system. By the way, they will try to sell you master email swipes. You don't need any of them. You can just use my emails here. My emails do really well. But yeah, so we're gonna go on to the mailing system here. We're gonna click on the mailing system, and we're gonna click. Once you click on that, you want to click on all your leads. You probably only have 100 leads. Don't worry about that. You can still get sales. You still get sales with just 100 leads. So I'm just gonna upload an email here that I already have going, and here we go. All in one $25 business. You can copy that. Very short email. You can copy that, guys. Copy that email. Make sure you hit perfect time, and they'll send an email around time people check it, so it's a better chance of them checking it. Make sure to preview. Make sure when you put your link in there, make sure the link works well, and then you send the email. And you can pause and copy this email if you want to. Now I want to show you another way to get emails real quick. Like, all right. So for example, you decided, hey, I like this. Email. I want me an email myself. I want to get an email myself. Let's say you got the HBA Premium. Okay? This is the only way this works. You got the HBA Premium. That means you can make unlimited emails, guys. I'm gonna show you how. They got a product in the system called the Emergent Contact Machine. Magic Content Machine. This just been added last, like, I want to say month. So it's just got added, and basically what it does, it makes content for you. So let me pick something like, right, an email of a satisfied customer, convincing people to purchase the I spelled that all wrong, I'm sorry. But yeah, there's a satisfied customer what satisfied convincing people to purchase the $25 business. Alright, something like that. It could be anything. You can You could write any kind of email for it. You can get them to write any kind of email for it. And you could like add adjectives as well. Say I want it more exciting, I want it more clickbait, whatever it is, right? Dear friends, I recently purchased this product, blah blah blah. You see what I'm saying? And he talks about how much money he made, blah blah blah. It's a quick email. You know how easy that is? It's so easy, guys. It even gives you a subject, and you just plop this in the system here. You plop this in the mailing system here. Boom, you got your email, you're done. And you can do this infinitely. Alright guys, you won't have to worry about emails at all. That's why I said you don't need to purchase the master email swipes, because you already got them. Alright guys, so that's all there is to that. Links are in the description below, like I explained before. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.